If you want this life to perform at its highest level, purification is needed, otherwise it'll not function like that. 1 day in a month or 2 days in a month, just going on that instead of simply fasting, will ensure body is clean, but it's important you eat. Not a speck of it should remain within you, it must be out. So how do you cleanse yourself? One simple thing is, so especially those of you who are aspiring for spiritual growth, you need a good mechanism. A good mechanism means least amount of friction. Least amount of friction. Nothing has gathered, everything is clean. Now this functions smooth and easy. Whatever we want to do with this, it becomes easy to do that. If you watch the natural cycles of the body, once in every 11 to 14 days, the body would like to go without food 1 day. Based on this natural cycle, once in one mandala, that is one mandala is 40 to 48 days, in these 48 days, 3 days will happen where your body does not need food. If you're conscious, you will see on that day you don't want to eat. Do you see even dogs and cats have this sense? On a certain day they don't want to eat, have you noticed this? If you're not conscious of these things, because those things are gone from human life for the people, so that is why generally in India traditionally is fixed every Ekadashi, the 11th day of the lunar cycle, you don't eat. It is fixed, so that 3 times in one mandala you do not eat. That is like a thumb rule, that's not the best way to do it. If you're conscious, you don't eat on that particular day when the body is not asking for food is the best way to do it. But if you want to fast, it's very important that your body is prepared with a certain sadhana, certain amount of, enhancement of energy. Otherwise, when the body is longing for food, if you deprive it, the body will struggle. Instead of simply depriving yourself of food, it's good to go on, let's say, a juice diet, vegetable and fruit juice diets, or the Ashgourd, Ashgourd juice is a great thing. Ashgourd, lemon and little bit of honey, just going on 2-3 days on just this is a great cleanser and a great rejuvenator of the body. So, 1 day in a month or 2 days in a month, just going on that instead of simply fasting. After some time, if you drink 1 glass of juice in the morning, you don't feel like drinking anything till evening, just water is doing fine with you without any suffering in the body, then it's okay to fast. If you want this life to perform at its highest level, then everything, just everything, how you sit, how you stand, how you breathe, how you step, purification is needed, otherwise it'll not function like that. When you're doing sadhana, it's important you eat something that doesn't stick into you, it must go. When it's done its job, not a speck of it should remain within you, it must be out. So how do you cleanse yourself? One simple thing is, at least twice a month, 1 day should go, 24-hour space must go without any ingestion of food, just water. And 24 hours, that is today evening you eat and only next day evening you eat. You only drink water. If you're feeling very tired or whatever initially, after some time it'll be okay. If you're doing enough sadhana, it'll not be a problem. Otherwise, if you're feeling tired, a little bit of one lemon you can squeeze into it, maybe a spoon of honey you can put into it, it'll keep you going. Twice a month doing this and doing the regular practices, whatever you're doing, will ensure body is clean. But
Sadhguru in his article on Ekadashi fasting has mentioned if you are unable to fast the entire day, here are a few things that you can try. Amla or Indian gooseberry. When you are fasting, just put a nelikine or the Indian gooseberry in your mouth and keep chewing it to ward off hunger. Because when you fast, your digestive juices will play and after some time they will build up. And if they spill over, you will puke. If you put something sour in your system, it will settle down. There is nothing better than Amla for that purpose. Just 1 Amla in your mouth will keep you going for 3 to 4 hours without feeling hungry, because it will keep the digestive juices down. Another thing, as Sadhguru mentioned, you can drink Ashgourd lemon and honey juice. It will keep you energized. You can also try multigrain porridge like sanjaveeni mix in your brunch, which will also keep you going for the whole day. Please note, if you want to fast for a certain period, it must always be supported with the right kind of spiritual practices or sadhana. Forceful denial of food is not the point. The point is to make everything into a conscious process.